This lightly. First Alert Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Valdez is here to break down the timing and what you can expect.
This is going to be a huge impact for us here in North Georgia. Those are not words I use often, but I'm very concerned about the amount of rain we are going to see. So flooding, a big concern. But I'm also extremely concerned about the winds we're going to see from this system. The latest 11 o'clock update has the center of the storm virtually just west of Atlanta, which puts the metro under possibly the strongest storms as Helene lifts north. So a combination of flooding, but also strong winds. I do think we are going to see extensive power outages. So we have a first alert weather day today, tomorrow, and Friday for not only the rain and possible severe storms we'll see today, but for the rain and the winds we'll see tomorrow and Friday. Right now on first alert radar, starting to see some rain, some heavy rain bubble up across metro Atlanta, but northwest Georgia is where most of the heavy downpours are right now. Some gusty winds, lots of lightning, not seeing anything severe quite yet, but these storms are strong as they slowly move to the east. We're watching for possible rotation. There is a low risk of an isolated tornado throughout the afternoon, so make sure you keep your first alert weather app handy and stay with the first alert weather team. If we see anything strong or severe or anything possibly tornadic, you will be the first to know. For now, no, you need that umbrella handy. You will need it this afternoon, and you especially will need it tomorrow and Friday. Helene right now is a Category 1 hurricane just off the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula. It is a Category 1 storm with 80-mile-an-hour winds. It is expected to intensify to a major Category 3 hurricane as it makes landfall over the Big Bend of Florida. This is east of Panama City, just south of Tallahassee, near Perry, Florida, with winds of 125 miles an hour. It will move very quickly once it moves inland. It will weaken a bit, but still strong enough because of its fast forward moving speed that it is forecast to be a tropical storm over metro Atlanta, over North Georgia, with sustained winds of 60 miles an hour, forecasting gusts even higher than that, forecasting gusts up to 80 miles an hour. 80-mile-an-hour winds, especially combined with saturated soil, easily topples trees and power lines, which is why significant power outages are possible. For today, that rain I showed you across northwest Georgia, moving into the metro, fairly widespread by 3 p.m., continuing through 6 o'clock. It will be a washout during the afternoon rush hour commute this evening, still seeing heavy rain. So before Helene even gets here, we have very heavy rainfall, so that is just going to add to those rainfall totals. Today's hour-by-hour forecast, we are only going to be in the 70s. Notice those rain chances increase quickly as we head into the afternoon. It will be very wet as we head into the evening. Here we go to 11 o'clock, still seeing that heavy rain. Then we start to see those outer bands tomorrow morning, heavy downpours across our area, and it will be relentless. Heavy rain continues pretty much the entire day tomorrow. Very heavy at 3 p.m. Very heavy as we head into the evening, and then more so Friday morning. Friday morning is when I'm expecting the worst of the winds with gusts up to 80 miles an hour. That's after seeing 3 days of heavy downpours over our area. By noon Friday, things will improve. Rainfall totals, we are looking at 5 to 10 inches of rain with locally higher amounts, which is why a flood watch is in effect all the way through Friday afternoon. Flooding a big concern, but so are the winds. 8 p.m. Thursday, already seeing 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. By the overnight, 60 to 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Stays very windy through Friday morning. I think that's when we'll see most of the power outages Thursday night through Friday morning. The power outage index is high, very heavy rain, super saturated soil, tropical storm force winds. All of this will lead to widespread power outages. If you lose power, you need a way to watch the First Alert Weather team. So download the First Alert Weather app. It is free. We are sending constant updates, not only from local updates, but updates from the National Hurricane Center. It is the best way to stay safe and informed as the storm approaches. Thankfully, we will see improving weather by the weekend. We'll be back after this.